Good evening, boys and girls. Today on the quick episode of Your Country Teacher, we're going to turn these improper fractions back into a mixed number. So that's why I call it improper properly. So we're going to make these improper fractions back to a proper fraction. But doing that, we have to make them into a mixed number. Remember, mixed numbers and improper fractions are like brother and sister. They're related, but they don't necessarily look alike. So here we have 23 over 5. You take the numerator and you divide your numerator by your denominator. How many 5s in 23? There are 4. 4 times 5 is 20. I have 3 left over. This leftover or remainder becomes your numerator. This 5, which is your divisor, becomes your denominator. So divisor, denominator, divisor, denominator. And so 23 over 5 equals 4 3/5. All right, so now let's go over here to 18 over 4. Again, you're going to take 18 and divide it by 4. Your numerator divided by your denominator. So I have how many 4s? Oh, 4. There are 4. 4 times 4 is 16. There are 2 left over. That 2 becomes, your remainder becomes your divisor. And your your numerator, your remainder becomes your numerator. Please skip that because that is not true. Your numerator becomes your remainder, and your remainder is your numerator. And then your divisor becomes your denominator. So D and D, that's kind of how we remember it. So your end product is 4 and 2 fourths. I can simplify the 2 fourths because I know that 2 is half of 4 and make it 4 1/2. So 18 over 4 equals 4 1/2. And that is your quick commercial about making improper fractions going back and making them look like, or making them equivalent to mixed numbers. Whew, that's 2 examples at one time. I think I should stick with 1. But anyway, boys and girls, make sure that you show this to your teacher, and you don't know if you know something until you can show someone else.